Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your family with SimpliSafe, complete guide step by step clearly. To protect your family with SimpliSafe, start by selecting the right equipment for your home. Visit the SimpliSafe website to explore the range of products they offer. Consider your family's specific needs and the layout of your home. Choose a base station that will serve as the hub of your system. Add entry sensors for doors and windows to detect any unauthorized access. Include motion sensors for larger areas to monitor movement within your home. Consider installing cameras for video surveillance both inside and outside. Once you've selected your equipment, it's time to set it up. Follow the simple instructions provided with each device for installation. Place the base station in a central location for optimal connectivity. Mount the entry sensors on every door and window that could be a potential entry point. Position motion sensors in key areas where intrusion is likely. Connect the cameras in areas that require extra monitoring. Next, download the SimpliSafe app on your smartphone. Create an account and log in to your new system. Follow the prompts in the app to link your devices and ensure they are all functioning correctly. Set up customized alerts so you will receive notifications on your phone when an event is triggered. Test each device to confirm that it is working correctly. Practice setting your system to home and away modes based on your family's daily routines. Consider adding a panic button for emergencies, providing an extra layer of security. Once everything is set up and tested, educate your family members on how to use the system. Make sure everyone knows how to arm and disarm the system. Discuss the procedure for contacting authorities in case of an emergency. Regularly review and maintain your SimpliSafe system. Check battery levels on devices and replace them as necessary. Stay updated on any software upgrades for your app or equipment. Consider periodic drills to ensure everyone is prepared in an emergency situation. By following these steps, you will effectively enhance your family's safety with SimpliSafe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.